In this video, I'm going to explain about interface methods in C# programming. So let's understand what is interface method. Interface in C# contains only declaration of methods. Means in interface we can only declare method, not to define the method there within the interface. Next, all the methods in the interface are by default public and abstract, and they cannot have definition or implementation. By default, the method which we declared within interface are public and also abstract. So there is no need to define or implement that method within interface. But all the methods of interface must be overridden and implemented by the classes who implement the interface. But it's necessary here that the class, the derived class, which will inherit the interface, then all the methods of the interface must be implemented by that classes. Otherwise, if you miss any method implementation in subclass of the interface, then the compiler will throw an error interface method declaration in C#. And also, if you miss to implement any of the method of interface within subclasses, then the compiler will understand subclass as a abstract class or as an abstract class. So in this situation, the compiler will throw an error. So it is necessary to implement all the methods of the interface within the derived classes. Let's see an example of interface in C#. Interface method C# example. Here in our C# program example, there is an interface screen having two methods, LED or LCD. This is our interface screen having two methods, LED and LCD, and there is a class TV that implement the interface screen. Now TV class will implement both the method. This is the class TV which will inherit screen interface. So this class will implement both the method LED and LCD. As we discussed previous that by default all the method within interface are public. But if I mention public here and run this program, then compiler will throw an error. The modifier public is not valid for this item, because by default all the methods declared within interface are public. Now the last class which I made here is class sample. The main function is present here in this class, and now I'm just running this program by pressing F11 key. Here I'm just creating an object of the class TV, which is the subclass or say derived class here. The object name is small t. Now I am calling LED method from the object t using dot operator. Now control comes to the definition of the LED function within class TV and will print output. TV has LED screen on the output window, that is on the console window. You can see here. Next controls come back to the calling place, and now next this object will calling the method LCD and jump to the definition of the LCD within TV class. Here the output printed on the output screen is TV has LCD screen. So in this way inheritance implement methods using derived classes. This is all about interface methods in C# programming. Thank you. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.